Okay. Okay, what do you want?
Valley
Oh, it's the valley.
and
We'll take this side to start.
okay. We'll grab the ball.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay, should we
Awesome.
start in
Enjoy, like 3 minutes?
Yeah, as soon as we're, I think, yeah, we're ready. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Which side do you
We
want?
lost the toss, but it's all good. So it's like 3 hours up Berlin. 16 yabo, ibe middle, ibe yethu. But we have a big gap in the middle. Tina, big gap, 16 yabo, because what they're doing, it's like a sabo by stretch, sihlala phansi, hang high, and then it forces me, Babantini, Manbuyumva. So now we need people in front. Club to 16. We need room to paya in front Pamgola 16 every time. Either I select when it's right, never come to Pamgola 16. Once bazo betapi, I say Matalin, and I can say Papagati, Balula car. So we're trying to avoid like gap in Gulu Papagati middling. That's all I'm gonna mention, guys. But otherwise, so far so good.
Gents, I think we're making this thing very difficult for ourselves. We mentioned it before the game. We don't carry the ball, we let the ball do the work. It's frustrating to create opportunities when we come here. People are starting to cribble around, they're starting to get tackled, and then they don't track back. That's why we said there's a gap between the middle and the back four. We need to pass, let the ball do the work. We saw how we scored our goal. It's very beautiful. We know we're capable of playing 1-2s going forward. So let's use our strength than trying to beat these guys. These guys are older than some of us here, right? One of you can do it, but not the whole team can do it. It's not on, gentlemen. Eh? If everyone's going to try and dribble, we're going to keep on chasing the game. Right? Second half, we 2-1 down. Those guys looking tired. What they want to do is just bang the ball at the front. Or they try to build behind the back. So what do? We know they've got a guy who can throw overhead. Let's drop back. Let's get 3/4 pace so that we can eliminate that space we are talking about. Right? If the forwards can drop off 3/4, and then that means the links also need to drop off. If you're going to try and chase the ball around, then you're going to find spaces in behind us. Then we're going to get hurt. We don't have the legs to chase, gents. We must admit it, we're unfit. Right? So in this half, gentlemen, I want us to play the best hockey we can play. Which is what? Play the ball to the next man. The next man receives the second pass, and then you move upper stage.